Yeah, and I think there's a couple factors with regards to search. I mean, obviously Google is the dominant player in search, and they have done such a masterful job of integrating AI where that becomes the default position. And so you've got Google really having massive influence over how AI is adopted as it relates to search. But you also have a generational change of these people who are now were freshmen when OpenAI and ChatGPT came out. These guys are graduating, and there's this whole next generation of consumers who that's the only way they search. And so you have these two kind of confluences coming together. Even though that LLM-based searches is probably only 8 to 10% of the overall searches on the web, it's also the fastest growing category. And so we're going to live in a world where we still have to optimize for classic SEO, but GEO is right behind it. And so merchants now have to solve for both. And what's really interesting about GEO is it's not looking at the way that your data is structured classically like SEO, it's looking for context because it's trying to solve answers to those questions that aren't necessarily available in catalogs today.